One-on-one.
Coolest bike ever.
My turn.
Hold on, you're gonna show all the features of this bike.
It has a unicorn head,
And it opens.
and it opens.
Awesome.
Unicorn
Awesome
holder.
basket.
Unicorn bell. Not very durable. Not very durable things. Training wheels.
You just bent the training. Holy. He's been. You were in so much trouble.
Really nice. Quality. That is quality.
Pull down the
They're starting to make things like they did back in the 80s.
Pull down the
Oh my gosh.
You
Curtis broke it.
broke it.
It was already broken.